Are you looking for the best wood laser cutter? In this video, we will break down the top 6 best wood laser cutters on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
BOBSCNC Evolution 4 CNC router kit makes the best wood laser cutter for beginners. The machine is user-friendly and offers a large area to maneuver the wood. At the same time, it comes with a sturdy build and GT2 belt which enhances hold on items. The kit includes most parts that a woodworker needs to start with laser cutting. There are only a few, if any, accessories that are needed to accentuate the performance. One cool feature of the best cheap laser cutter is its easy assembly. You get a complete manual and, even if you are a complete beginner to using a CNC laser cutting machine, you can assemble the machine without much ado. It comes with inserts so you can attach the parts in no time. Another cool feature that is remarkable for a consumer laser cutter of this budget is its size. It is huge. With an area of 16 into 18 inches, you can be sure that every householder-related item that you want to be engraved through this cutter will be tackled by it rather easily. BEAMO laser cutter is a compact, easy-to-use laser cutter that's perfect for makers of all ages. It can cut and engrave on wood, leather, fabric, paper, cardboard, and more. At just over 4 inches wide by 1 foot long by 3 inches tall, it has the same footprint as 4-letter size sheets of paper. And it weighs less than 50 pounds. Just take a picture, upload it using your phone or tablet, align the design, then let BEAMO do the rest. Smart Trace is also perfect for kids or students who love to draw or paint. Inspire them by engraving their work onto hundreds of objects with precision down to 0.1 millimeters, 0.004 inches. A 30-watt laser is best used for cutting lightweight materials such as paper, wood, and acrylic. It has a maximum cutting depth between 3 and 5 millimeters, depending on the material. A standout feature is its built-in, high-definition camera that captures the work surface, so you can preview your design and ensure accuracy before you commence cutting. This best laser cutter for small business, it's got to be the GLOWFORGE Plus 3D laser printer. This CO2 laser cutter and engraving machine impressed us with its ease of use and versatility. The unit looks like an elegant desktop printer, able to do its job without getting in the way. The machine is equally aesthetically pleasing, whether you're using it in a home office or studio, or at an off-site commercial business property. Plus, the onboard cameras scan your design and provide a live preview. The machine automatically detects the type of material you insert for printing, with hundreds of possible options, and adjusts the print settings for you. Included autofocus technology helps ensure precise cuts. GLOWFORGE can work with any type of laser-compatible materials, but there's an incentive to buy those sold by the GLOWFORGE company. If you choose not to use the proof-grade materials designed and sold specifically for the GLOWFORGE, then you will have to adjust the settings manually, which some users find tricky. Lastly, if you have a problem with your GLOWFORGE, you may find the company's customer service frustrating. There's no phone service support, only the option to send a request by email through the help center. This machine is excellent for engraving or cutting glass, leather, paper, cardboard, rubber, fabric, acrylic, wood, and other materials. It incorporates 5 safety sensors that ensure every component is working effectively, and you can use it to perform all your projects continuously. The dimensions of this equipment are 18.4 by 12 inches, and its cutting area, which measures 20 by 12 inches. It also has a maximum cutting height of 6 millimeters for acrylic, and 1/4 inch for wood, plus its maximum engraving height is 1.25 inches. Furthermore, integrated into its design is a 350 fume extraction and filtration system that takes out particles and fumes, which might hurt you during the engraving or cutting process. This laser cutter comes in a hexbox design with cooling and air assist systems. Thanks to this, you save not only time, but also the energy used to find, buy, and install these components separately. This machine is perfect for engraving, but it also caters to thin cutting if it is only 1 to 2 millimeters deep. It offers a DPI of 1000. But what is so attractive in this machine is that you should consider compromising on your operating system. Well, there are more than one features that make Tenhai the best wood laser cutter. The other feature is its emphasis on safety. You get a ventilation fan that gets rid of smoke as soon as it builds up. Further help comes from the exhaust pipe that helps in the complete ventilation of toxins from the engraver. Being a CO2 laser, this engraver maintains a high speed of engraving. You can adjust the speed to 500 mm per second for engraving, and 30 mm per second for cutting. The maximum engraving depth you can get with this best wood laser cutter is 2 mm. Its cutting depth varies from material to material. The ORION MotorTech Engraver cuts a huge variety of materials, including wood, rubber, glass, plastic, fiberglass, leather, aluminum, ceramics, and many more. However, if you are desperate to engrave on metal surfaces, this is not the machine for you. It has a great positioning accuracy of 0.01 mm, and has a maximum engraving and cutting depth of 5 mm for acrylics or wood. This reduces to 4 mm for harder materials. The engraver is compatible with Windows 8 10s, but is not compatible with an iOS system. This machine is compatible with CorelDRAW and AutoCAD software. However, this software is not included with the machine. Included with this machine are an exhaust fan, a ventilation tube, a water pump, a manual, software, and a USB key and cable.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.